Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to count the total number of atoms in a given chemical formula with or without coefficient. So you can see in this formula it's a calcium phosphate. So there is a no number in front of this whole formula. If there is a no number, so it is understood it's a 1. So when we want to count the total number of atoms, so it's the simple formula. Uh, Coefficient multiply with the subscript. So number in front of formula is the coefficient, and it's a joint property of each and every atom in front of that number, and these little number right side foot of the element with or without parentheses are subscript. So here we go. Let's use the formula. So we can see here we have a total 3 different atoms: calcium, phosphorus, and oxygen. So you can see parentheses. If you have any number outside the parentheses, so it's a joint subscript. So we just multiply. So for calcium, coefficient is 1, subscript is 3, so total is 3. Phosphorus, coefficient 1, so own subscript is 1, outside joint subscript is 2, so total phosphorus atoms are 2. Oxygen, so coefficient 1, it has its own subscript 4, joint subscript 2, so total is 8. So I'm going to show you another example with a coefficient. Let's say you have 4 sodium phosphate. So here we have a coefficient 4. So this 4 is a joint property of each and every atom behind that number. So you can see here we have a total 3 different atoms. So sodium, phosphorus, oxygen. Same formula, coefficient multiply with the subscript. So for sodium, so coefficient is 4, subscript is 3, so total is 12. Phosphorus, same coefficient 1, subscript 1, total atoms 4. Oxygen, coefficient 4, subscript 4, so total oxygen atoms are 16. I hope it will help you. Thank you.